Hello, my name is Nels Larson. I'm with Slumberjack. We're here today to talk about the Roadhouse Tarp. This is an exciting new product for us. It's designed for the hunting and off-road marketplace. It actually comes with 2 steel poles, one of which you see right here. They're Super Duty poles. It comes with 8 Super Duty stakes. As you can see, it provides sun and shelter for anyone camping near their vehicle or for off-road or overland enthusiasts. It's a huge structure, really, really strong. Has reinforcement on all the primary attachment points. You've got supplemental guy lines that come out the side for additional support and structure. And you have a unique and very simple vehicle connection system that works for most off-road vehicles. You've got a adjustable throw here that allows you to tighten and loosen it. And then you've got a connection system down here that easily grabs most wheels. Just make sure your brake's cool first. Tighten it up, you're good to go. So we've got 3 primary configurations. The first you see behind me, which is the A-frame with the vehicle. Second is the awning with 2 poles and the vehicle. And the third is the A-frame with 2 poles and no vehicle. In addition, like all tarps, you can be as creative as you want. There's just hundreds of different ways you can set this up. So get out there, explore, have fun.
One of the most popular accessories to put on a 4-wheel drive is a side awning. Now, while in principle, all the brands on the market may look fairly similar in design, it's worth doing your research and understanding how some of the key design features can make all the difference in practicality, usability and longevity. Starting with build quality, the tubing in the ARB side awning, over 2.5 metres, can be up to 3 metres in total length, meaning up to 500 millimetres of overlap here through the centre, ensuring structural integrity to help support side windbreaks and awning rooms. The reliability of an ARB awning comes from its strong extrusion supporting 1.2mm gauge alloy arms and legs. Contrary to popular belief, the robust nature of nylon makes it more suitable for connectors in awnings. A nylon connector offers more flex by comparison to a steel or alloy version and is less likely to suffer stress in harsh conditions. It's also less likely to cause impact damage on other components within the awning in tough terrain. Maybe the most important feature is the polycotton canvas blend sail. Unlike some of the cheaper nylon alternatives on the market, ARB's polycotton blend is a thicker, well-insulated sail that's less susceptible to rips and tears. It's also worth checking on some of the variants in the market as to whether they're a genuine ripstop canvas. Some nylon versions have been known to have a simple print put through them to make them give the look and feel of a hardy material. ARB's is 100% genuine ripstop canvas. One final feature you'll find on an ARB awning are the abrasion resistant pads in each corner. These are positioned so that when you're rolling up the awning to pack it away and for stowage while travelling on rough corrugated roads to protect the sail from wear. ARB offer a range of side and rear awnings, 2 metres to 2.5, 1.25 for the rear. We have a premium range of aluminium encased awnings, as well as our classic PVC range. But for me, the one that stands out amongst the rest is the ARB awning with light. The LED light strip offers a white light, a warm light, and a combination of the two, controlled by a soft touch waterproof dimmable switch. For those of you new to awnings, carry a set of spring-based guy ropes and be sure to always peg down your awning when you're setting it up for an extended period of time. If you're expecting any rain, it's always sound advice to drop one corner to ensure water doesn't pool on the canvas. When it's time to pack up, make sure you shake off any residual water, brush away any leaves, and always remember, roll over, not under. If you're packing your awning up wet, it's always a good idea when you get home to open it up, let it dry out properly, and pack it away. With a UPF rating of 50, an awning is just as critical in the sun as it is in the rain.
You're checking out the Smittybilt Trail Shade. This is a versatile sun shelter that's perfect for any outdoor expedition. The Trail Shade attaches to your spare tire or any other convenient location and extends 10 feet out and 6 feet wide. It will provide you and your friends with much needed protection from the scorching sun. In addition to the canopy, you receive poles, nylon coated cord, stakes, and a storage bag, so it's the complete package and the perfect addition to your arsenal of trail gear. Setup and teardown takes only seconds, and when you pack it up, you can wear it on your back as a backpack or attach it to your spare tire for easy transportation. With convenience like this, you got more time for fun in the sun, or in this case, the shade. For more information, give us a call or check it out online.